Folks, it's Johnny C. the Pizza Guy, John Crisafulli.
Hey!
How you doing? We are at Calabria here in Absecon, New Jersey. I am with Arturo. Arturo, shake my hand. This man works beyond hard. His passion in the restaurant pizzeria industry has been for many, many years. I'm going to tell you, I took today my dear friend Matteo DiGrigoli, who's from Brooklyn, and he's from the island of Sicily. Folks, we had a tomato pie, and Matteo said he's going to tell you how good it was. But I love my tomato pie, and you're not going to get the same tomato pie ever anywhere else than here at Calabria. The homemade bread that Arturo makes every day.
He make it too.
And his team makes it as well. His first name?
Manny.
Manny makes the homemade bread, but it's that almost like it's a bread pizza tomato pie, I gotta say. But I'm gonna let Matteo tell you. Matteo, when you had that tomato pie, besides everything else we ate,
Which was a lot.
tell everybody and speak loud about this tomato pie.
So the tomato pie, what struck me with the tomato pie more than anything, and I've been waiting for this probably for about 35, 40 years. My mother makes her own homemade sauce. It's always consistent. It's the same one. Everybody asks me all the time, you know, how's this sauce? And I'm like, nah, it's not really close to my mother's. And not being biased because she's my mother, but she does a phenomenal job in her own right. For the first time, I had a Taurus hand tomato pie. The sauce was as consistent and exactly like my mother's. That Arturo asked me if he was stealing recipes from my mother. I said, nah, I don't know about that. But they might have known each other down in Italy years and years ago. But it's the most amazing sauce that I've had, and I'm very reserved when I say that from a comparison standpoint.
Tell them about the appetizer we had. We both never ever had this appetizer on a warm summer day here in New Jersey. What about this appetizer?
It was watermelon along with
Burrata cheese.
and balsamic vinegar
With reduction porto.
with reduction porto.
I mean, it was
The
amazing.
most amazing thing, you wouldn't even think about putting cheese and watermelon and mixing it together. Amazing.
What you like?
I love it.
Okay.
Loved it.
I love it.
Folks, if you're coming to Atlantic City, if you're leaving Atlantic City, stop here. Arturo, share your hours and your address.
The address is 615 New Jersey Avenue, Absecon. And the hours is 11 to 10 every day.
And how many years have you been making pizza here in the Garden State of New Jersey?
About 40 years.
God bless, God bless. Your family comes from what part of Italy?
Calabria.
Calabria, thus.
Provincia di Cosenza, Longobardia Paese.
Beautiful. Folks, come here to Calabria. The pizza is amazing, the cuisine is amazing, the desserts are homemade. Unbelievable. Arturo, thank you as always.
Thank you, Johnny
God
C.
bless, God bless.
Thank you,
Make
Matteo,
sure
my
you
new
stop
friend.
by. Make sure you stop by. Everything's made on the level.
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you.